Hi, my name is Tad and I'm from TFix. In this video, we'll walk you through our full process from booking to secure recycling, so you know exactly what to expect. Well, it all starts with our website. Businesses can book a collection in just a few clicks by providing basic details such as what equipment needs to be collected, where from, and whether data destruction is required. After you submit all of your information on our website, you will get a confirmation as well as a scheduled pickup window, and we'll work with you to make sure that it's convenient to you. On a collection day, our trained team arrives with secure transport. Each item is then handled carefully and labeled on site to maintain a chain of custody. Sensitive devices such as laptops, servers, or hard drives are specially tagged for secure processing. When all the items are collected, then they are transported directly to our secure facility in South London. Our vehicles are GPS tracked and locked during transit, so this ensures complete security from pickup to processing. Once at our facility, items are scanned into our system and assessed. Reusable items are then prepared for refurbishing, while data-bearing devices undergo a certified data destruction. Every step is logged, and of course you will receive certificates of destruction for your records. The remaining equipment then is stripped down, and materials like metals, plastics and circuit boards are then separated and sent to our licensing partners. As we operate a 0% landfill policy, that means nothing goes to landfill. It's how we support your sustainability goals as well as our planet. So that's how we take care of your WEEE, waste of electrical and electronic equipment, from booking to secure recycling. If you're ready to book a collection, simply visit tfix.co.uk or follow us more for insights here every week. Thank you.